To fix the not opening Energy Assault in Roblox problem, follow these steps. First, ensure your Roblox game is up to date, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Open Roblox and check for any available updates. Then install them if necessary. Next, check your internet connection, as a slow or unstable connection can prevent Energy Assault from loading. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if the issue persists. If the problem continues, try restarting the Roblox client or your computer, as this can resolve any temporary glitches or bugs. Sometimes, corrupted game data can cause issues, so try clearing your Roblox cache by deleting the Roblox folder in your computer's app data directory. Another potential solution is to disable any recently installed browser extensions or software that may be interfering with Roblox. Try disabling each extension one by one to see if Energy Assault loads properly. Additionally, check the Roblox website for any known issues or server downtime that may be affecting Energy Assault. If the problem is on Roblox's end, you can try checking their social media or forums for updates on when the issue will be resolved. Finally, if none of the above steps work, try reinstalling Roblox or seeking help from the Roblox support team. They can provide more specific guidance and troubleshooting steps tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the not opening Energy Assault in Roblox problem and get back to playing your favorite game.